Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Time in a Bottle on guitar. We'll start by mastering the core chords. You'll need to learn the G major, C major, F major, and a minor chords. These four chords form the backbone of the entire song. Focus on clean transitions between them, ensuring each note rings out clearly. Proper finger placement is key to achieving that beautiful, resonant sound. Let's get those fingers ready. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is crucial for the song's feel. The primary pattern is a simple down, down, up, up, down, up. Practice this slowly at first, focusing on a steady, even tempo. Remember, Time in a Bottle has a gentle, reflective quality, so a light touch is essential. Aim for a smooth, flowing rhythm that complements the melody. Consistency is key here. Now, let's dive into the iconic fingerpicking for the intro and verses. This section primarily uses the G major and C major chords. For the G chord, you'll pluck the low E string, then the G, B, and high E strings. For the C chord, pluck the A string, then the G, B, and high E strings. Practice this pattern slowly, ensuring each note is clear and distinct. It takes a bit of coordination, but you'll get it. Finally, it's time to put all the pieces together and play the entire song. Integrate your chord changes, the strumming pattern, and the fingerpicking section seamlessly. Listen carefully to the original recording to capture the song's subtle tempo shifts and dynamic nuances. Remember, consistent practice, even for just 15 minutes a day, will significantly improve your performance. Enjoy playing this beautiful classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.